All right, talk about the sneaker.
Today talking about the...
I'll just play the gadget intro. Just go. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, I gotta give a shout out to my sponsor, Into the AM. You already use my discount code Wavy80, or you can use my discount link in the video description below and save. Appreciate anybody that's been rocking me with this. Looks like we're gonna hit another plateau pretty soon. You already know how I do. 25 to you, and you. That's 4. I think this is this Fallen King. Let me see. Yes, I got the Fallen King tee. I forgot who it was. You had it, and I was like, cause you showed me what you caught, and I was like, yeah, I gotta get this joint. Here go the Fallen King tee right here. Now, I like these for the summertime coming up. The feel is very good. Pause. Now, y'all know me. My favorites, though, are the plain tees, but these joints is on straight for the summer. Nice chill and kill, you know what I'm saying? I was about to say they could have went with the Thunders that sat, but the Thunders didn't sit. All right, next up, is this the pineapple what? Baby on the way. Damn, pineapple paradise. So what I like about this joint is it's subtle in the front, party in the back. Pause if you have to on the party in the back. You know what I'm saying? yeah. So yeah, no, I like this joint right here. Only thing is, it's a white tee back off the wall like some what? And this is a one and done. You know what I'm saying? So don't you touch it. And I was just like, but this is, it's a good joint right here. Yeah, no, I definitely like this. Got the wave right there, the palm trees, you got the sun, the Boyds, all that. You know what I'm saying? Wow, came across your face. This is the Summer Islands tee right here. Again, got your little subtle graphic in the front. Then bam, there you go. I do like the quality on these tees. Warm weather coming up, definitely a good move right here, for real. Shout out to Into the AM again. Y'all ready? Discount code Wavy80, save, or you can use my discount link in the video description below. Out. Next up, somebody finally got them their Fisher Price foams. And if it wasn't for this color right here that I'm gonna let you unbox. If it wasn't for this colorway right here, I would have like for her, no, never mind, the white, no. Yeah, this colorway was cool. When we was in Nike Unite, we was in the Harlem Nike Unite store. She saw these, so she was like, oh, I like, and they only had size 7, and I know you're usually a 6.5, so I like, you got a half size up. So I like, you know what? Let her get her first pair of Fisher Price foams. So why did you want these? Explain.
For the color.
The color?
Yes,
I like the color too, and I'm glad that they fit on you.
I feel comfort.
You feel comfort. Yeah. FOAMPOSITES, that's the first. Nah, just joking. No, they're comfortable though? Yes. Yeah. So, and they definitely look cute on you. You know what I'm saying?
Not fall down because it's when I'm walking. It's comfort. Ayúdame. En español, ok. Cuando yo camino, me siento confortable, que no voy a caer ni resbalar. I know it's fall down.
Okay, when you playing basketball with them?
Yes, I play basketball every day. No.
Anyway, yo, so we're gonna do a quick run through on them. Nah, it's a nice sneak, especially for the summertime. She'll be kind of like grounded for the summer because you know she got the you know what I'm saying. So she gonna miss 2023. I won't, but she will. But anyway, yeah. So you got that translucent sole right there, or milky sole. This is the pearlized pink joints. You got your pink swoosh right here. You got your black herringbone pads running down the sole. Boom. Take it to the lateral side. The whole upper is pearlized pink. You see that translucent sole right here. I call it the milky sole, but it's a translucent sole. So the issue with sneaks like these that came out back in the day, you know what I'm saying?
And then I
turn off the lights and I'll glow.
No, it's not gonna glow. Calm down, Vanilla Ice. Yeah, so nah, it's not gonna glow, but it's translucent. It would be nice if it did, but it won't. Anyway, so you don't have to worry about it really going piss yellow real quick. So, but you still gotta keep this joint clean. Now, right here, see this spot right here? This is what you call the carbon fiber shank. If you take this off, no, I'm just joking, but I just something I said. So anyway, yeah. So like I said, upper is pearlized pink. Up here, it's like a buck, new buck, Durabuck, one of them bucks, but not young buck, okay? Okay, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna take it to the lateral side. This side gets all the shine, all the shine. You know what I'm saying? It's the side, you know, This is what they see when they walk. Anyway, boom, same thing. Paralyzed pink upper. You got the better. I like the shank right here because you can really take it off. Semullo, you know what I'm saying? 42. Right here where you see you got one of those bucks. You got the Nike swoosh right here. It's stitched. This is the Nike swoosh. The front. Now the only thing, the difference between the front of the men's and the kids, they scrunch yours in the front. I really don't like how they do your front. I don't know why they do it like that, but it's just, you know. But anyway, you got your perforated holes. You got like your sock line is black. I call this the Pepe Le Pew stripe. Pepe Le Pew before he got canceled. Yeah, this is the stripe right here that goes all the way up to the 1 cent penny badge. We'll talk about Penny Hardaway another day, but this is the Penny Hardaways right here. He was the man from 93 to 96, 97. If you blink, you would have missed it. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so this is the pearlized pink. Then you got your pull tab up here, 4 stripes right here. Take it to the back of these joints, bam. You see hits of that sole right here, boom. Pearlized pink up here. You got your 1 cent right there. That's the 1 cent from, who's the basketball player? Penny Hardaway.
Oh, okay.
Anthony, if you may. But I call him Penny. You know, he comes through, you know, Harlem all the time. I'm like, yo, Penny, what up?
I want who's the tie pink.
Yeah, slow down. One step at a, we're gonna crawl first. We're gonna rock them first. Yeah, so she wanna do the lace swap. That's called a lace swap. Lace. Yeah, like me, I wanna do a wife swap. Swap the wife. Like I
told him I want to send this.
I understand perfectly well what you're saying. What I am saying to you is,
and I won't change you for 2 weeks. Yeah, so anyway, you gotta understand what you're saying. Got your 1 cent, then you got your pull tab at the back too. This is how you put them joints on. Like say this foot, you're gonna take it right here. Like you was trying to like 8 times stomp the back down in the store. I like, damn, chancletas? No. You know what I'm saying? So inside is black, and that's pretty cool. So you don't have to worry about like your socks messing up the inside. So yeah, man, if I missed anything, my bad. Oh, the black lace is always well, she was talking about swapping. Yeah, I got something in my eye. But anyway, yeah, man. So here they go. Her first pair of phones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the, I ain't gonna put it in the top 5 best on foot category yet, cause I don't really know how she, you know, the little wave he fly her. But anyway, get some socks first. Slow down. Some socks. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna do the foot right quick and get y'all up out of here. Her first pair of phones, you know what I'm saying? Let me give an honorable mention. Shout out to La Perversa. She had the white joints, and that's when I wanted the white joints. I was like, well, okay, I see you. I want them too. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, gonna get up out of here, man. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with us, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter beat. That snub. Yo! It's your boy Wavy and my rib Dari. This is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
Gracias. Hello.
These people wanna see me castrated. Car repoed on the last pavement, but I made it. New fortunes on the escalated, escapading. Clear Cartiers, never shaded. Who the greatest? Set the booth to blazing. Too amazing, God flow. But we don't praise the same God, though. I be standing out in the crowd. I guess I'm Waldo. Nah, we ain't rich from them pounds. I cut my yard dough on the John Deere. So many acres could build a mile here. All year, he's on fire. Don't drop the ball, yeah, my hands smoking. Used to only eat dinner with cans open. Now I'm looking cool than a bitch who left the fan on me. I used to give niggas my kicks, but they outran on me. Any given day you can pick 100 bands on me. I was clocking millions before it was only fans, homie. Knees in the sand, homie, I never sunk. Every test the streets gave me, I never flunked.
Word to your mother.